Did you know your Samsung Z Fold 8 can play your favorite song whenever someone calls you? Here's how to set a custom ringtone on Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Open the app drawer to your Samsung phone and tap Settings app. Tap on Sound and Vibration. Tap on Ringtone from the list. Here, you can see a list of all default Samsung Z Fold 8 ringtones list. Choose from it if you want default ringtone. Tap plus icon in the top right. You can see 4 options in the bottom to set ringtone to phone. Tap on Folders. Tap Samsung. Choose a ringtone from phone and tap Done. Now, set your favorite song as custom ringtone on Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Also, choose a silent if you want to must ringtone sound to your phone. Tap on minus icon to remove custom ringtone from the list. Which song or ringtone are you going to set? Let us know in the comments below.